Welcome. In front of me is an Apple iPhone SE from 2022, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on here. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings, scroll down to battery right over here, and simply toggle on the low power mode. Now it gives us a message that low power mode will, change how your mail fetching works, background app refresh, automatic downloads, and some visual effects are reduced or disabled in the low power saving mode. So to be fair, there's not much happening here in the low power saving mode, just because this device is already relatively bare bones. So as an example, visual effects, I don't think it changes almost anything. It's the case for higher end models where it changes the refresh rate, but here we have the 60, so it's not moving it any lower. But the thing that you probably might want to be aware of is the mail fetching. Now this is the dumbest way you can describe it, because what it actually does is turns off Wi-Fi and mobile data if the device is not being used for an extensive period of time to preserve battery. So that will result in you, for instance, not getting any kind of emails, messages from applications, for instance, like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and any kind of application that requires internet connection. So like I said, this is the dumbest way you can describe it in mail fetching, because we tend to rely so much on email nowadays. So yeah, just so you're aware of what will happen when you enable this. Anyway, from here let's tap on continue, and that's basically all you need to do. That's basically as much effort as it takes. And once you're done with it, you can disable it again from here by tapping on a toggle, and as you can see, it will just simply turn it off and everything will go back to normal and functioning normally as it used to. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.